Okay, today is gonna be awesome. A few weeks ago, I got the new CanaWeld machine hooked up at my shop here. I did a full breakdown on my channel. That episode is in the description below. Check it out if you haven't seen it already. And I have been using this machine quite a bit over the last few weeks. It's a ton of fun. I've been enjoying it a ton so far and it welds great. But one of my biggest complaints about the machine was with the setup, and that part of the setup was the torch lead. I went over it pretty extensively in that episode, but the torch just simply was way too bulky. The dexterity, unfortunately, was not very good with it, and it didn't fit very well in my hand for what I wanted to do in my shop here. I got small, delicate hands. So in the meantime, while using it, I had switched it out with a different torch lead. It's worked like a dream ever since. However, CK Worldwide has been awesome enough to hook me up with a new torch lead. And this should complete the setup exactly how I want it. This here is the new lead that they sent me right here. It's a fully water-cooled torch. I'm gonna be setting this torch up with a micro or stubby gas lens setup. I do think that eventually I will switch over to an even smaller torch. Shut up, truck. But the one we're working with here is 1,000,000 times better. I'm stoked on this one. So as you can see, CK Worldwide sent me the adapter. And this adapter is gonna have the lead attached to it, and then you can attach this to the machine. This adapter here is called a DINS style plug. There's a few different types of adapters. Make sure you do your research to find the right one that you need. Once you have assembled the adapter to your torch lead, it's literally just as simple as this. Just a twist, you plug in the gas line, and you're ready to party. So running aluminum with this thing is an absolute dream, my gosh. I went over a little bit more detail in that episode on the machine specifically, but the AC welding on this machine is really smooth. I really like it. Especially at low amperage, the aluminum welding is just a treat. And now, using a little more of a lightweight torch with really good dexterity, I'm absolutely thrilled at the projects I'm gonna be able to do with this thing. Switching over to stainless steel here, you can see that the gas lens setup works perfectly with my edge welding cups, like my favorite thing to use in this shop. This one torch lead is completely capable of doing fine stuff like this stainless steel here, as well as higher amperage welding with this aluminum here. If you aren't familiar with CK Worldwide, go check out the link in the description below to their website. If you haven't seen it before, it's like a toy store for TIG welding. They have all kinds of consumables and different upgrades you can get for your setup, and this addition to my machine has been a great upgrade. Like I said, you don't have to switch out anything for a different torch lead. This small and lightweight torch is going to be able to take care of whatever you need to. If you're looking for more advice on setting a machine up, check this episode out next. This goes over the most important things when setting your machine up. Go enjoy that one. Do a random act of kindness for a stranger today. My name is Dusty. Bill and Chill will talk soon. Peace.